Tane, where is a lion? Lion. Next, monkey. Where is a monkey? Good. Next, where is a dog? Dog edi. Bow bow. Very good. Next, where is a cat? Tane? Cat. Where is a cat? Cat. Where is a cat? Tane? Cat. Very good. Okay. Where is a horse? Horse. Next, horse the. Horse edi. Horse ekkadundi? Yes, very good. Tane, bird edi? Bird edi nana? Edi